How to see your boards on Shein app on iPhone. First is by opening your Shein app and then click on the heart button found on the upper right corner of your screen. Once you have clicked that, you may be able to see the boards option right here on the upper right as well. And then there you go. You have now seen your boards. You may create your board by clicking on create board, and then you may be able to save your items or your wish list onto this board. And then you may also share it with your friends so that they may see what you have liked, or you may recommend to them what are the dresses, the shoes, and any items that you have liked. So there you go. That's how you can see your boards on Shein app on iPhone.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.